Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Cozmic here, back with another YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Fall Guys thumbnail. So, the first thing you want to do is either get footage or find an image like these right here that are PNGs, so their backgrounds are see-through. And once you find these, you want to open up Paint.net. What's going on, guys? This is Cozmic Gamer back with another YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this thumbnail right here. Oh wait, I already said that. Anyways, we're going to go ahead. I'm just going to go through my history. So we started with a new image, and we rectangle selected this. We grabbed this tool and we selected everything. You cut it, and then we create a new layer. By the way, okay, I'm getting too ahead of myself. So first thing you guys would want to do is new, and you'd want to make your aspect ratio 1920 by 1080 or 720 by 1280 by 720. Then you create a there's your new layer, and then you'll paste your first image in. You'll move it wherever you wish to move it, resize it. You know, using these tools and this, you hold shift to keep the size, or to keep the proportions. And I went ahead and grabbed the second one, I moved it here, and I created a third layer, and I pasted my Fall Guys title. By the way, all the images you download have to be a PNG. Okay, and then we went ahead and posted this image. You move the layer so it's down here instead of being up here, so it's easier that way. Then we deselected it by pressing square and then clicking outside of the box. We drew a rectangle by pressing this, changing the size to 15, and then we just drew a rectangle in its own layer. We finished the rectangle, and we grab the magic wand tool, we hold shift and we select it, and then we finish, and then we go ahead, we choose our two colors by hovering over one and then pressing X, or the other way around. And then we went ahead and we pressed the gradient tool, and then we moved these two things around to change where the colors are going to be. Let's head back to where we were. Yeah, right here. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and then we have our gradient here on here now, like that. And now we're actually going to get to work. So now, if I find the link to it, I'll send it to you guys. But Drop Shadow, that is a plugin. If I find it, I will send it to you guys. I'll leave it in the description. So now that we have everything in the layers that we need, we go to Object. We're going to select the Fall Guys logo, Object, Drop Shadow, and we're going to select it to be color black here on the wheel, and then move it to where we need it to be. So I'm going to move it like this, so it looks like it's sideways. Yeah, like that. Boom. And we're going to do the same thing for these images here. So there's the first one's shadow already done because it saved it. I'm going to go here again, Object, Drop Shadow. This time we're going to move the y-axis over like that. Boom. And then here we go, guys. Here's our Fall Guys Ultimate Knockout thumbnail. Pretty easy. And then we just do File, Save, PNG, like this, just like that, save. I already created it, so yeah. And then you just save it. It will ask you to, at the very end, to combine all these layers. Here, let me show you. So, File, Save, PNG, Save. I'm going to replace the one I already have. Press OK, and then flatten, and then boom, just like that. Here we go, and here's our image. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and would like other tutorials for other games and thumbnails, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.